Okay, so for me to get this job at Apple, all I have to do is build an algorithm that looks exactly like this, and then I got the job. Awesome, this is gonna be a piece of cake. What's this? A manual? Who needs manuals? I've built thousands of algorithms in my life. Manuals are for kids. Cool. So first of all, I'm gonna need a for loop, and of course, inside that for loop, I'm gonna need an if statement. These go well together. But I'm gonna need the global variable. Okay, I got the global variable here. Man, this algorithm is gonna be so big, it will blow the whole internet up. Just needs a little bit more work. Okay, I finished building it. This is my algorithm. It looks exactly like what you asked for, right? Did I get the job? Okay, so let's actually do this now using the Lego blocks technique. What it says here is that we should first initialize the global variables that we are going to need. Then we are going to need the for loop, which is going to loop over all the items of the array. Then we are going to create a hash map. This makes a lot more sense. Okay, I got it. Let's do this. And now the final piece from the Tech Incubator manual is returning our solution array. So here we go. Voila! So if you don't prepare in the correct way and you maybe solve some random coding questions from the internet, even copy-pasting the code from some video editorials without understanding it, then when you're going to be faced with a new coding challenge, your code is probably going to look like my first version of the Lego building. But if you want to pass your coding interviews and land a job at these big tech giants, then you need to develop your thinking process in order to be able to come up with the logic of the solution and then to design a clean quality code like you had a manual in front of you. This thinking process is going to be like your manual, and the best way to develop it is using the Lego blocks technique.
So if you want to learn step by step how the Lego blocks technique works in order to use it to ace your coding interviews, then click the link below and start coding on Elgo Academy for free.